So now, perfect if you have a dairy or casein allergy, you can actually use it as the center for lasagna instead of ricotta cheese. You just process it up with some herbs, some lemon juice, and some garlic. Gotta have garlic, baby. And it goes perfectly just as you would normally make lasagna. So if you're a little closer to trying tofu, try one of these recipe suggestions I've just given you. And if you have a recipe that you love, definitely comment below. I would love to hear it, or shoot me an email, jessica@eatyourwaytowellness.com. And if you need a few more tips and a little bit more help eating your way to wellness, subscribe to the YouTube channel, check me out on Instagram and Facebook, and visit eatyourwaytowellness.com. This is Jessica, and happy tofuing. Is that a word? I don't know. Bye.